Welcome to Candy English Podcast. I'm Candy. I'm an English coach.
And I'm Ning. I'm learning English.
When I was in high school, English was my favorite subject. I loved English. So naturally, I went to university and majored in English literature. Later, I became a high school English teacher.
That sounds like a dream. You loved English, studied English, and then taught English.
Yes. From the outside, it looked like everything was going well. But inside, I was struggling.
Really? What was difficult?
I studied grammar. I studied vocabulary. I studied translation. I studied how English worked. But something was missing.
What was it?
I couldn't speak English naturally. The words did not come out smoothly. I knew so much about English, but I couldn't use it the way I wanted.
I think many learners feel the same way. They study for years, but speaking still feels difficult.
Exactly. I often wondered, how much more do I need to study? When will I finally be able to speak English? Sometimes I felt frustrated. Sometimes I felt tired.
So, what changed?
One day, I discovered Stephen Krashen's input hypothesis. It completely changed the way I thought about language learning.
I've heard that name before. What did you learn from him?
I learned that language is not acquired mainly through studying rules. We acquire language when we understand messages. We learn language by receiving meaningful input.
Meaningful input? What does that mean?
Stories, books, podcasts, movies, conversations, things that are interesting and understandable.
So instead of studying more grammar, you started listening and reading more?
Yes. I began surrounding myself with English every day. Not difficult English. Not stressful English. English that I enjoyed. English that made me curious. English that made me want to keep listening.
That sounds much more enjoyable.
It was. And something surprising happened. Little by little, English started to feel natural. I stopped translating every sentence into Japanese. I began understanding English directly.
Wow. So it happened gradually?
Very gradually. There was no magic moment. No sudden breakthrough. But one day I realized something. English was coming out of my mouth more easily. I could express my thoughts more naturally.
That's amazing.
And the best part is this. I wasn't forcing myself. I was simply living with English.
Living with English. I like that expression.
Me too. English stopped being a school subject. It became part of my life.
So, if someone listening feels frustrated today, what would you tell them?
I would say this. You do not need to study harder all the time. Sometimes you simply need more beautiful input. Find English that you enjoy. Listen. Read. Smile. Stay curious. And trust the process.
That's a wonderful message.
Thank you for listening. If this story encouraged you, please subscribe to the channel. And if you know someone who is struggling with English, please share this episode with them. Together, let's create a gentler way to learn English. A little English every day can change your life. See you next time.
See you next